Need a vacuum for workshop dust, wet spills, or heavy debris? Here are 5 popular models ranked from the most limited option to the strongest overall performer. In 5th place is the Stanley. It's the smallest and least powerful model in this comparison, but that doesn't make it useless. It's designed for lighter cleaning jobs where a large industrial vacuum would simply take up too much space. The 6-gallon polypropylene tank is compact, easy to move, and resistant to rust and dents. You can collect dry debris, handle liquid spills, or use the rear port as a blower. Separate filters for wet and dry cleaning are included, and the swiveling casters make it practical around a garage or small workshop. But here's the issue. Its 75 cubic feet per minute airflow is the lowest in the ranking. The narrow hose can also struggle with larger wood chips or construction debris, while the 10-foot cord gives you much less reach than the other models. And we also need to empty the small tank more often. This Stanley makes sense for occasional garage cleaning, car interiors, or small spills. But for larger rooms, tougher debris, or longer cleaning sessions, the next model is more capable. Links to all the products from this review at the best available prices are in the description below the video. 4th place goes to the Hoover Commercial Shoulder Vac Pro. This model is completely different from the others, because it's a backpack vacuum designed for dry commercial cleaning rather than wet workshop cleanup. Its biggest advantage is mobility. At 9.2 pounds, it's easy to carry enough through offices, hallways, and staircases. The long power cord reduces outlet changes, while the strong airflow and static lift give it impressive cleaning power for such a lightweight machine. The HEPA media filter also helps control fine dust. But the backpack design comes with clear limitations. It can't collect liquids. Its 6.4 quart bag fills much faster than a large tank, and it's not designed for chunks of wood, renovation waste, or flooded floors. It's also important to note that the HEPA media filtration does not automatically mean the entire vacuum is a fully sealed HEPA system. Choose the Hoover when you need speed and freedom of movement in offices, schools, hotels, or on stairs. For workshop debris and liquid pickup, however, the next vacuum is much more versatile. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel if this comparison is helping you choose. The DeWalt DX V10P takes 3rd place. It sits between compact shop vacuums and the larger 16-gallon machines, offering a useful balance of suction, capacity, and job site durability. Its 2-stage motor is the main highlight. It's designed to run more quietly and smoothly than a basic single-stage motor, while the 80-inch sealed suction rating is strong for a vacuum of this size. The washable cartridge filter, built-in liquid drain, water-resistant switch, and long cord all make everyday use easier. Still, the airflow is only 90 cubic feet per minute, well below the 2 leading models. The hose is also narrower, so bulky debris may move through it less easily. And despite having a smaller 10-gallon tank, the DeWalt is heavier than some larger competitors. This is a good option when you value strong suction, quieter operation, and a more manageable tank size. But when airflow and high-volume cleanup become the priority, the next machine moves ahead. 2nd place belongs to the Craftsman. On paper, this is the airflow leader of the group, making it especially attractive for large workshops, renovation work, and heavy debris. The wide 2.5-inch hose can move larger material more easily than the hoses on the Stanley, Hoover, or DeWalt. The 16-gallon tank reduces interruptions, while the oversized drain makes liquid disposal less awkward. Its flexible hose connections also help reduce kinking when you pull the vacuum around corners. The main uncertainty is that the Craftsman does not provide a directly comparable water lift figure in the available specifications. So while its airflow looks excellent, we can't judge its sealed suction against every competitor with complete precision. The large body also needs more storage space, and its filtration system is fairly basic compared with a dedicated fine dust extractor. For high-volume debris, large spills, and general workshop use, this is one of the strongest choices here. But the top-ranked model offers a more balanced combination of suction data, filtration, accessories, and warranty coverage. The Vacmaster Professional B Series takes 1st place because it delivers the strongest overall balance rather than winning through one specification alone. You get a large tank, a wide kink-resistant hose, strong airflow, measurable water lift, and 400 air watts of suction power. It also includes dedicated filters to dry debris and wet pickup, a large liquid drain, a noise diffuser, and organized storage for the hose, cord, and accessories. In practical use, that means fewer compromises when switching between dust, larger debris, and spills. It's still a large corded vacuum, so carrying it upstairs or storing it in a small room may be inconvenient. Its published airflow is also lower than the Craftsman's maximum figure. And for commercial or rental use, warranty terms should be checked carefully because they may differ from household coverage. For demanding garage work, renovation cleanup, wet spills, and regular workshop use, the Vacmaster is the most complete option in this ranking. It combines power, capacity, useful accessories, and clearly stated performance figures better than the rest. Check the links in the description to see the top-ranked products and current offers. And remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more practical product comparisons.